Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here as we get into week 12. We're going to call week 12 Reactions to Change. But before we get into week 12, I do want to, of course, being Monday morning, you're checking your grade book and making sure you're all up to date and all that good stuff. You're setting out a plan for this week, not only in this class, but all your classes. And I also want to point out that we're getting towards the end of the semester. If you look here at the calendar for April, Monday the 8th today, looking forward 3 full weeks in April, a 4th week that goes into May, and then as we look into May, 2 full weeks in May, and then we're to that the final week where we kind of do some finals and makeup work and that sort of stuff. So really 6 full weeks left. So we're really getting down to it. There's some of you that we really need to get going in class again, and again, we don't have that much time left. So with that, as I said, we are in week 12. This week we will not have the weekly quiz that we normally do. We have two assignments to turn in, and then a discussion board. Suggested schedule goes Monday through Friday as always. Get all your stuff done Monday through Friday, and then the weekend you can have all to yourself as long as you're all caught up with everything. So with that, this is what we're doing this week. And that is, we have do your announcements and everything. This the shirtwaist triangle fire, which is a mouthful, but really one of the seminal, most important labor events. It was a tragedy too in American history, and you'll see how this fire really helped bring about a lot of changes in how the Industrial Revolution, and how it impacted the workers, and then the workers pushing back. So we're going to be looking into workers and how they gain their rights, especially around child labor, and then exploring into labor unions. So these 2 assignments, and then we'll have a discussion board which really goes into the big question for the week too. So that's your week 12 discussion board. These assignments, I'll just kind of pop in here to look at exploring, and you might notice things aren't set up quite the same way in the daily folders like they normally are. So just work your way through this week. But exploring work actions, and read through all of this. And then what we're going to be doing, here's the big question: were workers in the 19th century successful in their goals to protect themselves from the capitalist machine? And so these, what we're going to be doing: sourcing, contextualization, corroboration, close reading. That's what we're going to be doing as you go through these websites, and then you're going to complete a chart. Which here's a PDF. There you also have Google links to do these as well. But you'll submit this one here, exploring labor unions. I have to double check your Google links though, because they do have the PDF charts. Oh, here's the click here for the Google Doc version. But both of these have websites for you to go through, fill out the charts. Again, this one, exploring labor unions, we're doing the same thing: sourcing, contextualization, corroboration, close reading with each of these sites to get the information we need. And then the last one, your discussion board. Really want you to pay attention to these pictures this week. And I look at these kids who are working 12, 15-hour days, 6 days a week, and I see the faces of my students. You're about the same age as a lot of these kids a little over 100 years ago. So anyways, do your post replies here for the big question this week: were labor unions at the end of the 19th century successful in their goals to help workers from the industrialist machines? So kind of asked that question a little bit different, but anyways, reminder, no on campus this week for middle school. If you need some one-on-one help, just get a hold of me, let me know, text, email, whatever, and we can set something up. And with that, have a great one. Really focus on getting caught up, all right? Have a great week 12. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.